Yes, hello, my name is Guan. You can call me Guan. I come from China, Changchun Sky Focus Tech, and this is our product. This is for farm. They can spray medicals to the farm. One time it can load 50 liters medicine or broadcast 85 liters seed. The max flight range can get 10 kilometers. Yes, it can be fly in the little snow, little rain, and it can against the 5 level wind.
What is the payload capacity of this?
50 liters.
Okay.
Yes.
What's the name of this machine?
We call it agriculture drones. It have radars. It have 3 radars, so it can detect the distance from the building or the other things. So it can automatically avoid a crash and detect and give you a fly around the buildings.